Goa Sea Voter poll, India TV Sea Voter poll for Goa says BJP will get 15 to 21 seats, Congress 12 to 18. So once again, upper hand to the BJP in Goa as well. So Goa, Uttarakhand, UP. At the moment, those are the three states we have going in favor of the BJP. The Congress gaining...
Even if BJP wins UP. You don't have to mention others. Narrative is entirely dependent on you.
But there are 5 states. We are talking about 102 Lok Sabha constituencies going to the polls.
BJP, but essentially narrative will change if Modi wins BJP.
Kumar, even if they don't go...
So yes, that's the other part. That's the other story. Nalin Mehta, if Goa goes in favor of once again the BJP, then it's narrative for Kejriwal in 2 states, both Punjab and Goa, where he had big plans to come into power.
No, Goa, he was not
receive
serious.
a setback.
Because the immediate fall will be on Delhi municipal elections.
I would disagree a little bit with Sanjeev on the narrative for AAP in Punjab, that even if AAP does not form the government in Punjab, he gets about 40 plus seats.
Yes.
I think he's making a mark there. He may not form a government, and that's a relief for BJP as much as Congress, but he is getting there as a replacement for Congress in the next election. Remember what happened in Delhi before his sweep in Delhi.
I believe
he first
that
got close to Delhi.
If he gets that many seats in Punjab, he has made a mark. He has told that his arrival on the national scene is there. He may not have won because nobody really expected him to win hugely in Punjab.
And that's where, Mr.
And
Rajagopalan,
Goa,
that's where the BJP will be on test next time around, because the BJP finds it easier when the opposition party is the Congress, not the Aam Aadmi Party.
Yes.
That's the story that we saw in Delhi as well. So if in Punjab, the Aam Aadmi Party becomes the real opposition, then will the BJP find it even more difficult to make a comeback?
In 2019, Aam Aadmi Party will not be there in Punjab. Because
But
BJP
Aam Aadmi Party will be there in UP. Aam Aadmi Party may be there in UP. In Gujarat, they are going to now.
Sir, I disagree with you because if you look at 2014, AAP won 4 Lok Sabha seats, but it was only in one part of Malwa, in parts of Eastern Malwa. Now if they got 40 odd seats according to this poll, they have obviously increased their geographical spread. So you can't rule out AAP just like that.
Delhi municipal election will not go the AAP way.
Navika.
Which is going to be held in April.